The FLIR E54 is the largest and most capable thermal camera offered by the tool library. It features a 320 by 240 infrared camera with a 24-degree lens. The camera also provides a variety of software to capture and analyze the data properly. The images and videos taken by the camera may be transferred to a computer via USB or the cloud via a FLIR Ignite account. The basic use of a thermal camera is to take images and video containing thermal information. Here are a few images I have taken showcasing some of the features of this camera, including the various spot measurements and some different isotherms. Upon turning on the camera, it will show a center spot and the default coloring, iron. You will need to focus the camera and wait until it calibrates to trust its measurements. It will say that it is doing so at the top of the screen. From this display, you may press the trigger to take a photo or video depending on the settings. This functionality is sufficient for most basic tasks. Pressing the center button reveals the main menu. From this menu, you may change the temperature scale, measurement parameters, image mode, measurement tools, and coloring. The temperature scale setting toggles between automatic and manual. In the manual setting, both the minimum and maximum values may be adjusted. To do so, use the left and right arrows to select the value to be changed, and then use the up and down arrows to change it. The measurement parameters are out of the scope of this tutorial. The image mode options are Thermal MSX, which overlays a digital image on top of the thermal one, Thermal, which shows just a thermal image, Picture-in-Picture, which shows the thermal imaging in the middle and the digital image around the border, and Digital Camera, which shows just the digital image. The options for measurement are None, a center spot, the maximum temperature spot, which measures only within the box, the minimum temperature spot, which also only measures within the box, three spots, and the delta measurement, which displays the difference between the spot being measured and the hottest spot in the box. Most spots and boxes can be moved and or resized in whatever way is necessary. There are many color palettes to choose from, which largely boil down to personal preference. The scale for the color chosen will appear between the maximum and minimum temperatures on the right side of the screen. Some palettes are better suited for different purposes, so experiment to find the one best suited for your purpose. Also in the Colors menu are the alarms, which display colors based on a certain threshold or range of temperatures. For each alarm, a temperature or temperature interval must be chosen. For the above alarm, all temperatures above the chosen temperature will be a certain color, by default red. For the below alarm, all temperatures below the chosen temperature will be a certain color, by default blue. And for the interval alarm, all temperatures within the chosen interval will be a certain color, by default yellow. The chosen temperatures can be edited using the up and down arrows. There are additional alarms for condensation and insulation. Refer to the manual for more details on these. While it is certainly useful to have all of your settings sorted out before taking an image, these settings and more may be adjusted from the image viewer. The gallery may be accessed by pressing the physical play button. In the gallery, all photos can be edited using settings similar to those found in the main menu. The temperature scale is always manual, and the measurement parameters, image mode, and coloring are all adjusted in the same way, although you cannot change a thermal image into a fully digital one. The difference between these settings and the main menu is primarily found in the measurement section. Now, numerous spots in any location, a box, or a circle may be added. The other two options are out of the scope of this video. Within the circle or box, spots for the minimum and maximum can be added, and the average within the selected area can be calculated and displayed. Now that you have seen many of the functions this device has to offer, try it out for yourself by measuring the external temperature of your computer. Try setting up an alarm to measure whether your computer is overheating. If you find yourself struggling, refer to the manual of the tool you are using or ask a librarian.